Hi, my name is Randy Lowen. I've been with Flexo products for over 30 years, and today we're going to talk about the best ways for cleaning and disinfecting classrooms and washrooms. This is an important step to keep your staff and students healthy and safe. When using cleaners and disinfectants, it's important to read and understand the instructions printed on the label. In this case, the label peels back to reveal the directions in French. Assemble the proper personal protection equipment, or PPE. Here we have the N95 certified face mask, safety glasses, and protective gloves. Make sure that the face mask is secure over your nose and mouth. Pinch the nose piece for a proper fit. And make sure that the safety glasses fit properly. Microfiber cloth is an important tool to use when cleaning and disinfecting surfaces. Microfiber cloths are color-coded to prevent cross-contamination. When cleaning a classroom, follow the same procedures to save time and be more effective. Pick up any loose debris and deposit it in the garbage cans. Replace the old garbage bags with new and clean the outside surfaces with a disinfectant cleaner. You can spray on a disinfectant cleaner and let it air dry, or wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Clean the classroom from top to bottom. Concentrate on door handles, light switches, doorknobs, and so on. The desks and chairs should be sprayed with a disinfectant cleaner and allowed to air dry for 5 to 10 minutes according to the label. Any residual chemical can then be wiped down. When disinfecting electronic equipment such as phones and keyboards, do not spray directly onto the surface. Use a disinfectant wipe instead. Make sure not to forget the handrails. You can spray the disinfectant on any hard surfaces and allow it to air dry to achieve the proper dwell time. When cleaning and disinfecting the lunchrooms, concentrate on touch surfaces. Always clean from top to bottom. Any food contact surfaces should be rinsed with potable water after disinfecting. The floors will be the last item to be cleaned using a vacuum cleaner or floor scrubber, depending on the floor type. Thank you for watching this cleaning tutorial from Flexo Products. Visit us at flexoproducts.com for all your cleaning needs.